Welcome to the LocalWell YouTube channel. Today, we will tell you how to do a sales return in LocalWell. First, click on Sales and go to the Sales tab. There, you will see the Sales Return option. Click on it. Here, you can see the return number and return date. Then, fill in the customer and patient name. After this, the recent purchase history of that customer will be displayed here. Select the product that you want to return. For example, after selecting Dolomol 650 milligrams. You can also change the packs and loose quantity if required. Then click on Add. Now, product name, invoice number, and other details will be displayed. Then click on Save. Select the refund mode. And then click on Continue Now. You will see the sales return bill. You can view this bill in a 5 or a 4 size. For more helpful videos, subscribe to the LocalWell YouTube channel.